सभिनी ॿारनि भरपूर मेहनत कई आहे ऐं इन शहर सां उन ॿार खे गुज़ारिश कंदुसि पहिरें ॿार खे त अचे ऐं पंहिंजी तकरीर पेश करे। Those who seek, they are ones who meet. Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai says, those who seek, they are ones who meet the beloved at all times in every street. To seek him, these to take the road, they will arrive at the beloved's abode. पुछन से पसंद जॾहिं तॾहिं पिरीअ खे डोरी दे ॾिसन अंगण अजी बन जा। तव्हांजे ज़ोरदार ताड़ियुनि में मिस्टर मुजाहिद अली गोरचाणी। Have a big clapping.
In the name of Almighty Allah, who has created the sun, the moon, the stars, as well as who created you, me, and the whole entire universe. Honorable my guests, respectable my teacher, and all dear friends and fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Respected sir, today the topic which has been under discussion is the Latif and Sindh. My motherland, Sindh, is completely enclosed in different problems, but in the land of Latif, there is nobody seems to be serious. There is no leadership and advisory director who saves Sindh from destruction except Almighty Allah. I initiate my speech with this poetry. छो किथे रुकजू रफ़ी को इर्तिका रुकजे नथी, छो किथे रुकजू रफ़ी को इर्तिका रुकजे नथी, जिंदगी जी आरज़ू में जुस्तजू थकजे नथी। साथियो संदरा बधो संदरा बधी हलंदा हलो, पाण छो बीही रहूं दुनिया जॾहिं बीहे नथी। Respected sir, the process of injustice, expoliation and misappropriation is directly linked to the present constitutional composition of Pakistan, wherein the majority province has an overwhelming domination in every composition and structure of present constitution that has led to complete denial due to the economic, social and cultural rights due to the federating units of Pakistan. Respected sir, now we the people of Sindh hereby make following demands through this declaration and undertake to initiate a peaceful struggle to achieve our rights and the interests of our motherland. I continue my speech with this poetry. इंसान जे अज़मत के मन्यू था सो मन्यू था, इंसान जे अज़मत के मन्यू था सो मन्यू था, धरती का हाली चंद्र बनू था सो बनू था, तहकीक के मजबूत मुतर के सटकोरी बेमंजर मलाकोट बनू था सो बनू था। Respected sir, the Sindh is the richest province of the Pakistan. Sindh produces up to 70% in each product, but in spite of that, Sindh and Sindhi remain the poorest. And Sindh has enclosed in different problems. Leadership and advisory sector remain silent. Why? Our electronic and print media publishes and shows different programs, but not taken any action stand, not taken any stand over the Sindh's rights. Respected sir, the NFC award shall be abolished and a new mechanism shall be devised whereby the federating units shall contribute through a new social contract according to the resolution of 1940. All those who took up presidency and after the year of 1954 shall be regarded as a temporary resident and shall be time-bound work permits and will not have voting rights in Sindh nor purchasing any property in Sindh. Distribution of water amongst the provinces made under the 1945 agreement. I shall take my place with this poetry. अचोत ज़ाल मन के हाणे मुँह चढ़ी चई दियूं, अचोत ज़ाल मन के हाणे मुँह चढ़ी चई दियूं, असां में हिम्मतूं वॼूं नी पोड़ जी नथा सघूं। अचोत ॾाढ ॾमर जे डुगर के हाणे टोड़जे, अयाश लानती अॻियां न लोए जे न लोड़जे। अचोत ज़ाल मन के हाणे बाह थी विकोड़जे, गरीब खे झंझोड़जे ऐं निंड खे निहोड़जे। पियो थो रत चूसजे, मास पियो थो रोड़जे, अचोत चुपचाप जे शीशे खे हाणे टोड़जे, बुझो कबूत ॾाढजे ते ज़ोर सां घरोड़जे, अचो नओं समाज को नओं जहान जोड़जे। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।